It's one of the simplest ways to improve your LinkedIn profile, and it takes less than a minute. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your LinkedIn URL so it looks clean, professional, and personal. But first, why would you bother updating your LinkedIn URL in the first place? First, it just looks more professional. A custom URL is going to be much cleaner than a URL with a bunch of numbers on it. It's going to look better on business cards and better on your email signature. Second, it just makes things easier to remember. Whether you're out in a networking event, applying for a job, or building a personal brand, having a short, memorable link makes it easier to remember and pass on to others. And finally, if you're into personal branding, editing your URL on LinkedIn essentially means that you're claiming your name or a version of it, and it reinforces your identity to make it easier to find you online. So in short, why not do it? Let's jump in and I'll show you how to do it. So once you've got your LinkedIn page open, what you want to do is navigate to the top menu and click on your Me icon. Click View Profile. From there, on the top right hand side, you'll see where it says Public Profile and URL. Click the edit button, the little pencil. From there, you're going to get into your public profile settings. On the top right again, you want to edit your custom URL. Click the edit button, the little pen underneath, put in your custom URL and save. My suggestion would be to make it as simple and memorable as possible, and from there, go ahead and put it on your email signature and business cards. So if you found this video helpful, help me out by liking it and subscribing to the channel. And if you're a salesperson looking to rediscover your edge and rewire how you sell, head over to our website for more information.